Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to show you how you can add reports to your application. So we're going to go into our purchases. I've added some dummy data here for our 4 customers that we created already. I'm going to click the Create Report button. Now you can do this in Excel if you wish. You can always just export your raw data to Excel anytime you wish. But we have some basic reporting capabilities here, and these are definitely going to expand in the near future. First thing I want to show you is fields to group and formulas. So you can always just get a number of count on something. Whoops. And run that. And we have 10 records in our database right now. But that's not really telling me anything. Any numeric field automatically gets generated the sum, average, min, max, etc., standard deviation. And amount is also a numeric field. So automatically we detect that it's numeric, and we show you that you can choose to pick out the sum, the average. So let's say we want to see the average by customer. I can run this report, and we can see this is the average purchase size for each of our customers so far. But again, that's not really telling me much. Let's choose the sum of amount by customer so we can get the total and run that. And this would be total sales. And we can save this report. And now when we go back to our dashboard, it appears under our purchases as an extra tab. And as you might have guessed by now, you can drag that up into the menu. So now when we come into our application, we have a new tab, Purchases, Total Sales, and there it is. But what else can we do with this? Let's go back to Purchases List real quick and create another report. And we're going to do again the sum of amount by customer. We're going to sort by customer. Actually, let's sort by sum of amount instead. Let's see who our best customer is, and let's just see what that looks like. Okay, it really hasn't changed, but let's just show you what this can do here. Sum of amount. You can change how that's going to be displayed to you. The other thing that's really powerful here is you can actually filter. So in our case, I want to see every purchase that happened after June 1st. Now, when you're using dates, for now, you're going to have to put single quotes around them. In the near future, you won't have to do that. You'll just be able to put the value that you want in, and there'll be a whole bunch of other options as well when you're dealing with dates. But for now, so here we go. Here's our report. And in June, we only had 2 customers buying. And we can see that one spent $100 and the other spent $50. And again, we can say sales for June and save this report. And when we come back to our menu now, our dashboard, we can see we have our normal form, add and list mode for purchases, but now we have 2 reports underneath as well. And if we wish to, we can also add sales for June into the application menu. And that's it. Clicking any of these reports will bring you directly to the report with all the stuff filled in already. And again, purchases, total sales does the same thing. It just changes which report you're looking at any given time. The same way that we control who has access to what is also done for our reports. So everything that's been happening is uniform across the board for everything you do in Snappy Forge. And that's it.